Hey there, experiencing issues with Monopoly Go crashing on your PC? This week, I've got 4 effective methods to help you learn how to fix Monopoly Go crashing on PC so you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming. Whether you're racing against friends on the board or building your empire, these solutions will ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Update your graphics driver. The first step to resolving crash issues with Monopoly Go is ensuring that your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated or incompatible drivers can hinder game performance and cause crashes. To update your drivers, follow these steps. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Locate the drivers or support section and search for your graphics card model. Download and install the latest driver update. Restart your computer and try launching Monopoly Go to see if the issue is resolved. Remember, keeping your drivers up to date not only helps with Monopoly Go, but can also enhance the performance of other games and applications on your PC. Step 2. Verify game files. Corrupt or missing game files might be the reason why Monopoly Go keeps crashing. Verifying the integrity of the game files can help fix this issue. Here's how to open your game launcher, like Steam, and navigate to your library. Right-click on Monopoly Go and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game File. Wait for the process to complete. The launcher will download or repair any missing or corrupt. Once you've verified the game files, try launching Monopoly Go again. Check if the issue persists. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. High graphics settings can sometimes lead to performance issues on PCs that do not meet the game's requirement. To ensure a smooth Monopoly Go experience, consider lowering the in-game graphics setting. Open Monopoly Go and go to the settings menu. Navigate to the video or graphics setting. Reduce settings such as texture quality, shadows, and resolution to a lower level. Reduce settings such as texture quality, shadows, and resolution to a lower level. Apply the changes and restart the game. By reducing the graphical demand, you may find that the game runs more smoothly and crashes less frequently. Step 4. Update Windows and perform system maintenance. Sometimes the issue might lie within the operating system itself. Running an outdated version of Windows or having unnecessary background processes can affect game performance. To address this, follow these steps. Update Windows. Go to Settings. Update and Security. Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates. System Cleanup. Use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool to clear temporary files and free up system resources. Background process. Open Task Manager, Control-Shift-Escape, and close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Keeping your system updated and performing regular maintenance can resolve crashing issues and improve overall performance. There you have it. By following these methods on how to fix Monopoly Go crashing on PC, you can enjoy a seamless gaming experience. Whether it's updating graphic drivers, verifying game files, adjusting in-game settings, or updating Windows and performing maintenance, these steps can help resolve crash issues effectively. Remember to regularly check for updates, both for your game and your system. Keeping everything updated ensures you have access to the latest features and improvements. Enjoy your gaming, and may your property empire grow without interruptions.